Hi everyone, so I'm back with the brand growth idea of this week, and today I'm going to talk about tagging people who are a part of your story. Yes, I've been talking about stakeholders, I've been talking about empowering your employees, but today we are going to talk about people who are essentially the part of your brand story. So, to start with, to give you an example, you must have seen a lot of LinkedIn posts these days wherein the startups largely are talking about one or more employees at their place. It has largely been observed in the KPOs and BPOs where that particular person joined in as a capacity of admin, or maybe something like in the pantry, or the administrative services where they are just assisting as the peon or something, but they kept on the dream of getting to work in the same company at the desk and having a life which they see other employees leading, and that's how they reached out to the startup owners or the business owners. They showed the interest and they were trained, they were given the correct skill, and that's how the success story is. Now, a lot of us see it as a marketing gimmick, but a lot of us also see it as the culture of empowering people, in that particular startup. So that is why it is very important to tag the people who are a part of your story. Talking in the marketing terms, we know why hospitals run blood donation camps with the celebrities. We know why travel companies get the travel bloggers to write about it. We know why we approach a lot of PR campaigns through the journalists, and ask them to write about our startup plans, growth plans, expansion plans. So everywhere there is a reason when people are talking about us. But what I am talking about this brand growth idea is you should always tag people who are part of your story. So going back in the flashback, when you started, the current times, we all are in praise and happy about Tata Group acquiring the Air India again. So everywhere, we almost all of us have liked, endorsed, or felt happy inside that okay, the Tata does not mean goodbye, it also means coming back of Air India. And we all know the story of how Mr. JRD Tata had to give it up to the government, right? So I'm talking about that story at large. So when you are a business owner, when you are a startup, make sure that you tag the people who have been a part of your story. It works amazingly well because people love to know you and your brand as the step by step story. It is very easy to get a fancy hoarding out and to make the claims, but the more realistic your story is, by and how you make your stories realistic, by tagging in the real heroes. When we did our 10th anniversary video, we did not even tell the people who were or still have been a part of our story. The person who did the logo as a help, and charged us peanuts for the same. The person who was just out of school and pursuing DJ course together with his graduation, and doing some DJ activities, and how he took care of the production requirements with our initial events, which is like good 3-4 years. And all these people are successful business owners currently. Some are running their production houses, some are running their event agencies, but they have been a part of our story. For that matter, people who have part-timed with us, who have just gone there and collected the report at the event site and are working in the senior management and middle management positions in the corporate sector in entirely different setup of their career. So they are not into events, they are not into brand or marketing. They were keen about that, they wanted to explore that domain, and they moved out of that and currently working into the sector of edutech or sales and marketing for that matter. But those people count, and when you tag them all, there is a sense of belonging, there is a sense of comfort, a sense of pride that you are sharing wholeheartedly, and you are giving them the due credit of being a part of your story. and how you appreciate that. So always make sure that you are tagging the people in your story in two ways. One, we talked about the marketing campaigns wherein you tag the influencers, the bloggers, the PR people, the journalists. The second, who are a part of your story at any level, even the support staff, the peon, the admin, the cleaning staff is helping you run the show. Why not tag them? In the present times, everybody is there, and it is nothing like, what kind of influencers or who is the influencer for your brand. It can be anybody at the top and anybody who is managing the bottom of pyramid. So let the people be there, let your story be talked and tagged through people who are a part of your story, and you will see how your outreach gets command. And it is not always about that if you're tagging a certain section, you are reaching out to that audience, but it is your audience that feels more close to your brand, feels belong to your brand, because you are coming across as a transparent, trustworthy brand who is proud of what they are and how they have become, what they have become. So tag the people who are a part of your story, talk about them, interview them, feature them on your places, but always keep them close, because that is one way you earn the trust, by just showing that how people oriented brand you are running, and how you are still attached to your story and take pride in the same. So start tagging, make a list, see how and where they fit into your social media calendars or brand stories. And I will be back soon with more brand growth ideas in the coming weeks. Until then, take care, stay safe. Goodbye.